Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to fix Android package installer not working. First, you need to open your settings app. Next, scroll down a bit and you can find your apps option in here. So, tap on it. Then click on the manage apps option. Now you can find your package installer app among them and just click on it. So finally you need to clear your app data and cache by clicking this clear data option and clear cache option in here. After clicking clear cache option, give OK to this pop-up message. Now your package installer is must working now. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.